We come here every day and create something new. We work with inventors to bring new ideas to reality, and we work with large companies to bring complex equipment to reality. We have developed equipment from robotic glue application machines up to a robot for milking cows, and pretty much everything in between. We have to be ready to deploy the right technologies and the right tools in order to stay competitive. SolidWorks Industrial Conceptual allows us to do that.
We try to incorporate freeform and ergonomics into most of the products that we produce here. That's very important in the sense that a lot of these are hand-operated or hand tools. Tools like Industrial Conceptual give us the ability to add ergonomics to the products very easily.
It allows us to differentiate our service by bringing that in faster and earlier, adding value for the customers. We were recently approached by a large manufacturer to develop an assembly tool. They had 6 days to implement a new tool into their final assembly process.
We sat down at the drawing board. We said it's got to be ergonomic, it's got to fit the operator's hand, and do all these things that are not easy in traditional CAD. We said, man, this is a great instance to finally test out Industrial Conceptual. Well, the software itself, it felt similar to SolidWorks. That was a relief because there wasn't a huge learning curve to get into it.
Oftentimes we are starting with hard models, but we need to add an organic taste to it, so we can actually take it, we can put it into Industrial Conceptual, create something that the customer is extremely happy with, and then even turn around and come back into SolidWorks. So we can move in both directions, which is something that we absolutely did not have capacity to do in any other sub-D modeler.
In this instance, we sketched, we made the shapes roughly what we thought it would look like, and from that point you bring in the freeform tools. You've got this blob of clay, you stretch it, you shape it, you pull it around, you get it exactly how you want it. Before we had Industrial Conceptual, it would have never been possible to make a tool this ergonomic in that time frame.
Online collaboration tools allow us to show the client in real time what direction we are heading, what is happening with their project. That is a crucial part of us staying focused and staying cost effective.
One of the great surprises about Industrial Conceptual is that I can take this smooth flowing design, take it over to SolidWorks, and be able to add the orthogonal features we want. It's probably one of the most exciting parts of the software. It's just that now I have the opportunity to be a little bit more creative in a fashion that I've never had the opportunity to be in before, and design products that don't just look like a machine tool. When you have success in a project like what we had with that one, it was definitely satisfying.
We finished assembly, and then the next morning one of our project managers flew straight down to the customer and delivered it. We had it back in their hand in 6 days, and the client was thrilled. It changed their image of what was possible in terms of both time and the quality of the design. And they have since then come back to us over and over. When someone comes back to us for more, that's really the greatest reward.